just keen to share another thought process that I had this morning, and it was when I was reading through another entrepreneur's stumbling blocks. Perhaps this was the way I interpreted it anyway, was, they had a lucky position in my eyes where they're able to, work from anywhere using their laptop. So, that for me is a personal goal where I can, take my work anywhere and work remotely. At the moment, my current business keeps me locked down to a location. So, I see this position as being something of, that's a really good place to get to. But I'm not looking at the other side of it. And, this other entrepreneur, he's illuminated to me sort of what could be some of the struggles of having that particular position. And it made me reflect a bit about my business. So, previously, let's say, going over the last 12 to 18 months, I had frustrations with my job, my position in the business, my business as a whole, and perhaps it was the way I was looking at it, I don't know, but it was somebody else that brought it to my attention that they felt that I was very fortunate and very lucky to be in the position that I am within my business. And I didn't see it like that, because I saw the daily struggles and the daily frustrations within my position as being something that is antagonizing me and something that is causing me frustration and not bringing me much joy. I don't know how exactly I was able to change that, but I think I can pinpoint it to when myself and Frida, my beautiful fiance, when we both come together with a plan of what it was that we wanted to achieve in the future. And it wasn't a monetary plan, and it wasn't like this huge audacious goal. It was something deep within us that we wanted to have as a net result of what we want in our life. And once we both agreed on that, all of a sudden what I was doing within the business become really enjoyable, and then all of a sudden I realized that what I've got is really, I'm really appreciative of the fact that I have the pathway to be able to fulfill these things. So it did make me turn over a new leaf within the role that I have in a business, and it makes me think a little bit different for what I want with this remote work or this remote life. So thank you to that person for illuminating that to me, and hopefully I've been able to shed some light on a different thought process towards what's happening within someone's own life. Peace out.